Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, right now in front of you Canon Pixma ink tank printer. The model number is 2411. Printer is in error state now and I want to explain about this error E15b. E15b error means that E15 error is about print cartridge error and B mean black. If you will see E15c, it means color cartridge. So right now in this printer the issue is with the black cartridge. Now I will replace the black cartridge and we'll see you will not see the error that called E15b. E15b, B mean black cartridge. So I will open this cartridge cover and this is the black cartridge, okay, B side, and the issue is with this cartridge, it's I think burned or something damaged from here. So I have a spare one to make sure that is it working or not. I insert another one black cartridge. Okay, now I close this. Now I will turn off the printer and turn back on. Then we will see E15b error is still there or gone. This was the old head, black print head was the problem. Let it work, then we will see the difference. And the same error can appear in many kind of Canon printer G3411, G3415. Look, now there is no more error. E15b there is no more. So the error was due to black cartridge, black print head. So you can find the black print head in the local market, or you can get it from eBay or AliExpress or Amazon. That's it for now. I want to just show you that about Canon Pixma ink tank printer, and if you find ever E15b, you have to check your black print cartridge, or if you find E15c, then you have to change your color print head. If you have any question, ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.